This call is now being recorded.
Okay, One Alpha, good morning. How do you do today? I hope you all in good condition, all right, and then in the good health. Okay, so today we start our lesson for today. Before we start, can you see my presentation?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, right now, what are the screen displaying? Display what? My what?
Telegram.
Yes, very good. So I'm displaying our class Telegram group first, yeah. Okay, before we start the lesson for today, a few announcements, yeah, just to remind you a few announcements. Do you join the extra co-curriculum, yeah, the co-curriculum last week? Do you able to join?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Do you have any problem? Any problem? Join the co-curriculum group?
No.
No problem, yeah. Okay, make sure you join the Google Meeting or any activity for your core curriculum, okay? Because it is very important. Your participation and then your attendance will be taken, yeah, in consideration of your marks later on when you are in the core curriculum lah, yeah. Saturday, right? On Saturday and on Wednesday. Is it true? Wednesday is what? Last Wednesday, kelab or persatuan? Kelab persatuan or sukan permainan? I also forgot. Last Wednesday.
Kelab Afrika.
Wow, okay, very good. Okay, sorry. Last Wednesday is the kelab dan persatuan, right? And then on last Saturday, pancaragam and orchestra, right? Okay, make sure you join the activity, join the Google Meet, and then maybe not many things lah we able to do during the online classes or during the online activity, especially the co-curriculum activity. But never mind, you just join us because the participation is very important here, because it will give you, the teacher will give you mark based on your involvement. Okay, that is number one. And then also here, if you have any problem, this is I just uploaded maybe a few days ago. Fasa kedua, bantuan khas COVID-19. If you have any problem, you can go to the Google form here and then try to apply the if you have any problem, if you have any need about anything. Okay, you can go to the school website or you can contact our counselor if you have any problem with the any problem lah. You can go to the you can contact our counselor or you can contact the school. Okay. And then okay, just two announcements for today, and then any other announcement, if I have any other announcement, I will update accordingly in our Telegram group. Okay. And then how about the our last exercise, okay, on 29th of, I think on 29th of July, on Thursday. I already give you the exercise, very simple exercise. Do you have any problem about this? You can either print it or you can copy the question inside your exercise book, right? Any problem here?
No.
No problem, yeah? Okay, later on I will check into our Padlet. And some of you send the picture of your finished exercise to me. I will check it later. Okay? Okay. So today, I'll continue the lesson for today. All right. I'm opening the table of content for Science Form 1. Can you see the table of content right now?
Yes.
Okay, this is the table of content. Thank you. This is the table of content for Form 1. Right, chapter 1, themes number 1, we already finished. Okay, And then how about TIMS 2? TIMS 2 consists of 4 chapters, maintenance and continuity of life, okay, in the field of biology. This is biology. Biology is what? Biology is the study of living organism. Living organisms such as human, animal, and plant. Okay, we already finished chapter 2, cell, chapter 3, coordination and response, and chapter 4, reproduction. Okay, this is for TIMS number 2. TIMS number 2, maintenance and continuity of life. Right? And then TIMS number 3, this is how many chapter? We have 3 also chapter, yeah? 3 chapter in TIMS number 3. Chapter 5, matter. Chapter 6, periodic table. And our last chapter, okay, yeah, last week we already finished chapter 7, air. Okay, so altogether now we've already finished 7 chapter in Form 1. And then TIMS number 3, the name of the TIMS number 3 is exploration of element in nature, meaning that we're going to learn about the what we call the chemistry study. Okay, the study of non-living organism or non-living things and non-living organism. The study of non-living organisms such as what? Such as soil, minerals. You already learned about the periodic table, right? You already learned about the mixture. You already learned about the compound, all the minerals that are found on the crust of the earth in chapter number 3. Okay, and then chapter 7, you already learned about the composition of air, combustion, and air pollution. All related to the non-living things. Okay, non-living things. You remember, you try to remember, yeah? Chapter TIMS number 3, we learn about the non-living things of the in the earth. And then TIMS number 2, we study about the living organism. Okay. TIMS number 4. Okay. In TIMS number 4, we are going to learn TIMS number 4 right now, starting from today. TIMS number 4 is the energy and sustainability of life. Okay. In Form 1, there is only one chapter in TIMS number 4, that is chapter 8, light and optics. Okay. If you can see the table of content right here, how many subtopics in chapter 8? How many subtopics?
7.
Yes, there are 7 subtopics in chapter number 8. And then we are going to learn about lights and optic. Okay, lights and optic in the if in Form 4, if there is in Form 4, you study about what field? TIMS 2, biology, right? TIMS number 3 is chemistry. And then TIMS number 4, what do you think? Another one. There are 3, right? There are 3 pure science. If you still remember, there are 3 pure science. Maybe when you go to Form 4, Form 5, you will learn this, biology, chemistry, and what is another one? Anybody can remember?
Physics.
Physics, yes, very good. Biology is the study of life. Chemistry is the study of the substance on the earth. And then number 3 is the physics. The physics is where you just want to study the energy, for example. Okay. And then in chapter 8, from 1 chapter 8, we're going to learn about lights and optic. We're going to, for example, 8.1, what is the usage of mirrors? We learn about the type of mirrors, and then the property of light, reflection, refraction, dispersion, scattering of light. Okay, before we start, light is matter or non-matter? You still remember chapter 3, matter?
Non-matter.
Yes, very good. Light is one of the non-matter because we only can see the light, but we cannot feel the light. Light is one of the energy. Energy is non-matter in here, right? Okay. And then for 8.7, you're going to learn about the addition and subtraction of light. Okay. Maybe I will take about 2 weeks lah. I will take about 2 weeks to finish chapter 8 because there are 7 subtopics. But actually, it is very simple, because it's just in Form 1 only, right? And then themes number 5. So we have, Form 1 only 9 subtopic. All right. Tip number 5, exploration of and space. Chapter 9, only one subtopic, only one chapter with 6 subtopic. Later on, after we finish chapter 8, we continue chapter 9, and then we already finished the syllabus for this year. Okay. Now it's August, September, and then we're able to finish. I think we can able to finish the syllabus for Form 1 this year. Although during the PKP, although you have the challenge, we have all the challenge to learn from home and face many challenge and problem, but never mind. I think we can try to finish the syllabus for Form 1 Science this year. Okay, and I'm also hoping that we can meet again lah. Maybe on September or October, because there are also many experiment or practical we need to do. But never mind, if we are unable to do the practical, you just what we call focus to the theory side of the what we call lesson only. Okay, class. Right. Okay. Now we continue. Themes number 4, energy and sustainability of life. We learn about lights and optics. Okay, do you know what is light? Light is cahaya lah, yeah. And then what is the main sources of light on Earth? Class, anybody can tell me what is the main sources of lights on Earth?
Sun.
Yes, very good. Our main sources of light on Earth is the sun. Okay. All right. And then light also enable us to see. Okay, without the light, we cannot see. Okay, that is very, very important. We try to learn and then understand what is the light is all about. And then optics. Optics is what? Optics is the way we try to understand how we see. That is optic. All right. So without further ado, we try to what we call see 8.1 first. Yeah, the use of mirror. Are you ready, class? You can also later on try to open your textbook, page 222, 8.1, the use of mirror. Okay, 220, 21. Okay. Right. So, number 1. What is mirror? Okay, number 1, you must understand what is mirror. In the mirror, we can see the reflection of the object in front of the mirror. That is the mirror. Very easy things, right? Every morning, for example, every morning after you wake up from the sleep, you go to the bathroom and then you can see yourself on the mirror. That is the reflection on yourself on the mirror. That is the mirror. But the most important things here is what is the type of mirror. There are 3 types of mirror. Number 1 is what we call by plane mirror. Plane mirror. What is the meaning of plane? P-L-A-N-E. It is not aeroplane. It is not what we call a flying object. Plane mirror is a very flat mirror. Flat surface, flat mirror. That is the what we call by plane mirror. Okay. And then number 2, you must to understand there are 2 types of image. Okay, there are 2 types of image here, right? One is what we call by real image, and then the second one is what we call by virtual image. Real image and virtual image. Okay, and then the image here is formed on the mirror or from the skin. Okay, what is the example? What is the difference between plane mirror? Between virtual image and what we call by real image. Okay. Okay. For example, here you have figure 8.1 here. We have candle over here. All right, and then we have the pinhole And then if you can see here, all right, I will see here. Okay, we have candle. Candle is the real object. This is the real object. The real object that you can feel, you can touch, you can see, all right, and then you can what we call touch it, you can carry it. This is the real object. And then through the pinhole over here, we have a black cardboard here. We punch a hole at the middle, and then there is an image. There is an image formed on the screen. This is the keyword here. There is an image formed on the screen right here. So, what of the type of image appear on the screen? What of type of image class? This is real image or virtual image? Real or virtual image class?
Virtual image.
Okay. So, okay. Sorry. If the image here, if the projection of the image here, what we call display or form on the screen here. Okay, it will form on the screen. Again, I will try to ask you. If the object form on the screen, you know what is the screen? It's just like a projector, you know. When you project the light on the screen, when you project the object or the light on the screen, the image will form on the screen. So this is what we call real image. Okay, this is real image. Okay, image that project on the screen. Okay, for example here, you must remember this. You try to remember this. Okay. All right. Okay. So we'll try to erase this first. Okay. So for example here, so we have a screen over here. Okay. So we have a screen over here. Screen. A screen is made from what? Maybe made from the piece of cloth, maybe made from the piece of paper or on the wall. This is what we call the screen over here. Okay. And then maybe we have here is the film or the plastic here. Okay. And then this is the sources of light. Okay, when the lights beam through the plastic film, and then the image and the image on the plastic film will form on the screen. So you must remember what type of image appear on the screen, real or virtual image. This is a real. This is a real image. You just remember that only. Okay, it is not the reflection of the object. The object is, for example, the sources of light here go through the piece of the film, for example, and then the object on the film will appear on the screen. So this is real image. Can you understand this, class? This is a real image. Is it okay?
Okay.
Right? Okay. Maybe meaning that it's the projection. Okay, we can say it is the projection of image. Okay, projection of image from where? From the film here, and then the image will appear to the screen. Screen maybe in what type of screen? Maybe just a white cloth. No, maybe maybe just white cloth, or maybe just a paper, or maybe just a wall. Okay, any flat surface where the image form from the projection of the film to the sources of light, we call it real image. we call it real image. So the image is real. You just need to remember that first. Okay, you just need to remember that. All right, this is real image, not virtual image. Not virtual image. You just remember that only, right? Can you understand this, class? What is the real image? Right? Okay. So, again, over here. Okay, you can see here, what is the definition of the real image? It's an image, right? Image that form on the screen. Real image is the form on the screen. Any image that form on the screen, we call it real image. Can you understand this, class? Is it okay, right? Okay. So second one is virtual image. What is virtual image? Virtual image is image that cannot be formed on the screen. That cannot be formed on the screen. Our image form behind the mirror, not on the screen. Therefore, the image formed by plane mirror is the virtual image. Okay, image that form on the mirror, we call it virtual image. Okay, because it cannot form on the screen. Actually, the image form behind the mirror, not on the mirror screen. So we call it a virtual image. For example, if you can look at the picture here. Okay, the picture here is the what we call image that form on the screen. So this is virtual image. This is not a real image. This is virtual image. Virtual image. Okay. Cannot what? Cannot be formed on screen. Example of virtual image, that is the image that formed by using mirror. Okay, this is virtual image. Can you understand this, class? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, okay. I hope the rest of you also understand this. What is the virtual image and then what is the real image? Okay. Can we continue, class?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay. So we continue the lesson. Okay, next one. This is the type of mirror. Okay, you must remember the type of mirror, not just the type of mirror, but you also need to remember the characteristic of image from by a mirror. Okay, next one. This is the three type of mirror that you need to remember. Number one is plane mirror. Okay, sorry. Okay, number one is plane mirror. Number two is concave mirror. And then number three is convex mirror. Okay, plane mirror, concave mirror, and then convex mirror. Okay, what is the difference between plane, concave, and convex mirror? The difference is on the shape of the mirror. Okay, I will try to zoom in. I will try to zoom in the one of the mirror. Which do you think in the front of the mirror? Okay, the front of the mirror, is it here or is it here? Number one or number two? Which are the in front of the mirror? Number one or number two? This is front or this is back of the mirror? Class?
Front.
Okay, good. This is the front of the mirror. And then the back is the reflection. The what we call the chrome or the reflection of the mirror is on the on the back of the mirror. Okay, so the difference between concave, plane, and convex mirror is the shape of the mirror itself. The shape will determine the virtual image form of the mirror. Okay, the shape of the mirror will determine the virtual image of the mirror formed by the mirror. Okay, remember this, plane, concave, and convex mirror. And then maybe some will confuse, sometimes confuse between concave and convex mirror, but never mind. Okay, I hope you can try to differentiate between concave and convex mirror. Okay, next one. All right. Okay, there is an activity actually. There is an activity to study the characteristic of image formed by plane mirror, and then convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay. How I want to do this? Never mind. I will try to show you something. I already saved it or not? Okay, never mind, never mind. Okay, look at this first. The mirror use the reflection of light. Okay, mirror use the reflection. You apply the concept of the light reflection. Okay, meaning that the light ray shine on the mirror will be reflected. This is how mirror is functioning. The working, what we call how mirror is working. For example, I will try to draw this first. So, number one, just plain mirror. Plain mirror. Okay, I will try to draw a plain mirror over here. Just use the simple shape over here. Okay, for example, maybe this is the plain mirror. Okay. Right, so this is the plain mirror. So if you try, if there is a sources of light, I will try to use the red pen over here, okay, as the sources of light. For example, right, if the light comes over here, okay, and then it will reflect exactly the same, what we call the same, wait, I will try to use another shape. Okay, for example, this is the sources of light, and then this is also the another sources of light. Okay, meaning that if you can see here, the angle of light will reflect degree. It will the angle of reflection and the angle of refraction is the same. Okay, if you use the plane mirror. Okay, can you understand this class? For example, this is the light. This is the light. The sources of light. This is the sources of light. Okay, when this is the reflection lah. This one meaning that the reflection. Right, meaning the angle here. If the angle here is about 50 degree, angle here is also how much? How much, class? Also 50 degree. Same. Meaning that the sources of light coming reflected to the plane mirror, and then the reflected light is also bouncing from the plane mirror at the same angle. At the same angle. This is plane mirror. That's why the object that you can see, what are the characteristic of object or of the image, of the image, characteristic of the image form. Okay, number one. How about the size? The size is same or different when you use plane mirror? When you use the plane mirror, how about the size? Size is same or different? Size. Anybody? The size is same or different, you think?
Same.
The size will become the same. Okay. Number two, how about the distance? Distance, same or different? If you use plane mirror, the distance will also be same or different, class?
Same.
Okay, very good. The distance also will become the same. This is what we use. This is the characteristic of image from on the plane mirror. On the plane mirror, the size will be the same. The size of the image, the size of the image will be same as the size of the object, and then the distance of the image will also be the same as the distance of the object. This is why you use a plane mirror. Okay. For example, if I go back to the textbook over here. All right. So, can you see the image here? This is plane mirror. Okay. This is plane mirror. We are using plane mirror. And then what are the object here, class? The object is candle. Yes, very good. The object is candle over here. And then we are using plane mirror. Okay. Number one, again, characteristic of the image form on the plane mirror. The object size will be same, right? If you can see over here, if you can see the what we call, you can compare the real. No, you can compare the real object here. The candle is what we call the real object lah, yeah? The real object over here against the, this is what type of image, class? Is it virtual or real image? Just now, yes, again?
Virtual.
Yes, this is the virtual image, meaning that the image formed on the mirror that reflected the real object here. Okay, if you use the plane mirror, again, the characteristic is the size will be the same size, yeah, same size. Okay, and then number two, how about the distance? Distance same or different?
Same.
Yes, the same is also same. Distance, size, same distance and same size over here. If I use, if that's why we use a graph paper over here. For example, the distance from the object to the mirror here. For example, I just write about 3 cm lah, 3 cm. Okay, and then also the distance from here to here is also how many cm?
3
How many?
cm.
Also 3 cm. So this is the characteristic of image formed by plane mirror. Okay, can you understand this, class? Is it okay?
Okay.
This is for plane mirror, right? Okay, good. So how about convex mirror and how about concave mirror? Okay, later. I already download the simulator, but where is the simulator? Light reflection. Oh, this one maybe. This one. This one or what? Wow, this is too technical. Never mind. Later on, I will try to give you the simulator. I just found the simulator, but I haven't bookmarked the website. Never mind. Okay. All right. This is plane mirror. Yeah? How about concave mirror? How about concave mirror? Concave mirror. Concave mirror. Again, concave mirror is like this. Concave is like this. Okay, concave is just like this, right? So what are the direction of the light? The sources of light is about from here. The sources is right from here. Okay. Can we use the shape over here? Wait, Okay. Right, concave like this. Depend on the sources of light, class, yeah. Maybe you can find it different on your textbook, but it depend on the sources of light. The sources of light here is, if you look at my drawing, is on the right here. Okay. No, you understand, class, eh? So, if because of the sources of light here, for example, if I draw the sources of light straight here, okay, so what do you think the reflection of the light? Because this is not flat surface, class. Here, it is not flat surface, not flat. Okay, it is curved. It is curved. It just curved like this. Okay, curved. Right? It has the shape. The shape of the concave mirror is curving like this. So, if plane mirror, for example, if just use the plane mirror, this is plane mirror, plane mirror. If the sources of light directly at the surface of the plane mirror, so where do the reflection light go? The reflection light go where? Same angle, right? Same angle. So it will just bounce off the plane mirror, and then it will go the same direction up. Can you understand this? It will go up. All right? If slightly angle, for example here, if I use plane mirror slightly angle, so the reflection will be like this. So the angle here is the same of here, same angle. Can you understand this? This is if you use plane mirror. But if you use concave mirror, if the sources of light just straight coming through from here, so what the reflected light will be? It will be slightly offset here, maybe. Okay, you understand this? Where I just want to find the what we call the simulation. I can't find the simulation over here. Maybe this one. Optical lens. Light reflection, convex, concave, convex simulation. This is Java Lab. Okay, never mind class here. I will stop presenting. I want to find that particular what we call uh, simulation first. Yeah. So you just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay, class, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption, yeah. All right. So, okay. Can you see the presentation?
No.
Ah, sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not forgot to share the screen. Right. Entire screen. Okay. Okay, now can you see it? Can I class, huh? Right now, can you see it, class, yeah?
Only black only.
Only black only. How about right now? Wait, huh? Um, just use the way over here. Mm, set pin. Okay, right now, can you see the
Yeah.
image?
Yes.
Okay. Good. So this is the sources of light, yeah? Okay, this is the sources of light. The sources of light. Okay, this is the sources of light. Just represent by the line here, the beam here. Just represent by the beam here, yeah? So this is the sources of light. Okay, then I will try to use a mirror. Just use plane mirror. If I just using the plane mirror, what happened to the reflection? Okay. All right. If I just use the plane mirror, okay, the image or the light will reflect at the same angle like this, right? If slightly angled mirror, I use this slightly angled plane mirror. Can you see the reflection of light? What happened to the light here? Okay, it will reflect based on the what we call the same angle lah, right here. If I use the plane mirror, okay. Again, how to delete this? Okay, again, I use the mirror over here. Can you see the angle here? Different angle, right? Okay, this is if I use a plane mirror. The image reflected same angle. Okay, again, I just use a single ray. I just use single ray of light, and then I will try use the mirror over here. Okay, you can see here the image from the sources of light here. This is the sources of light. For example, we have the flashlight over here, for example, right? So we have a flashlight over here. We have the flashlight over here. This is the sources of light. Okay, and then this is plane. This is plane mirror. Plane mirror. And then the lights will go here. The angle of a reflected light is same as the angle of reflected light here, same. So that's why the characteristic of the image formed on the plane mirror, the size is same, and then the distance is also same, because we use plane mirror. Okay, so what happens if you use concave or convex glasses? Concave first, yeah. Okay, try to use multiple beam. Okay, this is the sources of light. And then I will try to use a concave mirror. Okay, I will try to use concave mirror over here. So that we use concave mirror, yeah. Okay. What happened if I use concave mirror? Okay, can you see what happened? What happened to the reflected light? This is never. I will try to zoom it a bit. Okay, like this. Okay, just zoom it a bit here. Oh. Snap to grid. Never mind. I will try to reset and do again. Okay, again, this is the sources of light. Okay, and I will try to use a concave mirror first. So this is concave mirror, right? Okay. So based on the shape of the mirror, if you can see the what we call the size of, that's why the size of the what happened to the size of the real object here? Smaller or bigger? Smaller or bigger? Yes, the size will be bigger if you use concave mirror. Okay, if you use concave mirror, the size will be bigger. All right, because of the curvature, because of the curve here, the curvature here, it will become bigger. Okay, for example here, if you have what we call, this is the light ray lah. If you see, if this is the eye, all right, the reflected light will become bigger here. Okay, this is the actual size. Okay, maybe this is the actual size of the object. And then when the light reflected to the concave mirror, the size will be multiplied here. Much bigger. All right, the size here will be much bigger. Can you see the difference here? Right, so this is the virtual image or the image form on the screen, and then this is the what we call the object over here. The object over here, this is the object, the real object, and then when goes to the concave mirror, that's why we can see it will become bigger. The size will become bigger. Okay, and how about the distance? The distance will become nearer or will become what? Or will become further? The distance, I think, will become closer lah. The distance is closer. This is when we use concave mirror because of the reflection of the light, because of the shape. The shape of the mirror is a little bit curving. It has a curve. Plane mirror, just flat surface. Plane mirror, just flat surface. So you can see the object shape and then the distance same. But concave and convex mirror, depending on the size of the curve, the image form on the mirror will be bigger or will be smaller. Okay, for concave mirror, it will become bigger, and then for convex mirror, it will become smaller. Okay, so this is concave mirror class. If I use convex mirror, I will alter the curvature first. I will start to alter the curvature here. This is when I use convex mirror. Sorry, This is okay, I'm sorry. It is not become sorry. This is concave mirror, yeah. Concave mirror. Again, sorry. Concave mirror, it will become smaller. Okay, become smaller. I'm sorry. It's become smaller. Not here actually, yeah. It is not from here. Okay, this is the object. The object size is like this, and then it will become smaller actually, yeah. It will become smaller here. Okay, not after the cross here. The object here will become concave, eh? Concave, the object will become smaller. Okay, this is for concave mirror, right? And then for the convex mirror, all right, the object will become, this is for convex. This is for convex. The object will become, this is for convex mirror. The object will become what? It will become larger. Okay, it will become larger. Okay, this is for convex mirror, and then this is convex and concave mirror. Actually, it is, you must use this practical. Do this for yourself. Actually, it is very hard for me to explain theory. Okay, we must do the practical, then you can understand, right? But never mind. I hope you can understand this, and then if you have any problem, you can ask me later on. This practical side actually, class. Okay. So do you try to understand this? But if you have any question, you can ask me later on. Is it okay, class? Now is 11. Can, class?
Can.
Okay, never mind. Okay. So what I need you to do, you do try to go to the next page. The use of plane mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. All right. Just simple one. I think this topic, you just read it for yourself. Page 224, 225. Yeah. This is the use of plane mirror, convex mirror, and concave mirror. Okay. Plane mirror, usually you use in your bathroom, you use in the room, because we do not want to image to become distort. Okay. When the image become distort, then you cannot see the real shape of the object. Right? For example, like this. For example, like this. You know the funny mirror? The mirror that can get you fat or can get you very thin. So you cannot use this type of mirror. For example, this one. This mirror. We call it a funny mirror lah. We cannot use this one. Right, this is not plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror will have real object and real distance, but this is not plane mirror. Okay, for example, this page also, the image also. Okay, what happened to the image? Is this using the plane mirror or not? What mirror is it? Is it a plane mirror or no? Class?
No.
Plane. This is not plane mirror. Because why? Because the object, the virtual object formed on the mirror is not the same size. You can see the kid over here, the boy over here become shorter. Actually, it is taller. So this is not plane mirror. Okay. Again, what type of mirror again? Okay, you can try to Google lah, on the on internet, and then to see the funny mirror over here, right? Okay. So plane mirror help a dancer to correct his movement. and then make a living room look spacious. Okay, this is the usage of plane mirror. And then how about the concave mirror? Concave mirror help to magnify the image to make easier to someone to make up the object. Meaning that concave mirror, the object is become bigger. Okay, and then used by the dentist to see the inner side of your teeth, for example. All right, they cannot use the plane mirror because plane mirror will produce same size, but concave mirror it will enlarge the size. Okay, and then how about the convex mirror? A convex mirror will, for example, use as the road safety feature at the dangerous corner of the road because the image form on the convex mirror will become wider. It not become smaller, but it will become wider. For example, the mirror on the corner of the road or on the mirror on the supermarket over here. Okay? You cannot use convex mirror because if you use convex mirror, your face will become smaller. Right? If you use convex mirror in your room, for example, your face will become smaller. If you use concave mirror in your room, your face will become bigger. Okay? But usually in the bathroom or in your room, you use the plane mirror because the plane mirror, the image formed on the plane mirror is similar. The object will become, the distance is same, and then your face, the size also same. It will not look bigger or will not look smaller. Okay? Is it okay, class? Oh, I'm taking extra time over here, but never mind. Okay, so I think I will stop the class here. We will meet again on tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have class. Yeah, so for the exercise, we'll try to give the exercise later. And then if you have any question, also you can ask me on the Telegram group as well. Okay, so we end the class right here. I'm sorry for the extra time I take. Thank you for your focused participation. And then if you have anything to ask, just ask me. Okay, you can leave the class now. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.